Hey guys, welcome to the next chapter of copywriting advanced copywriting series. So guys, I hope कि आप लोग मेरे पिछले सारे चैप्टर्स को देख रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. I'm getting a really great response from your end, guys. It is the reason it is motivating me to create more chapters. Guys, ये जो टोटल सीरीज है थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है. I need your patience because copywriting makes sense in digital marketing. Guys, the next chapter is how to create conversational copy that sells. Conversational copy. Guys, what do you mean by conversational copy? Conversational copy का मतलब होता है the art to speak casually with a friend. Imagine कीजिए कि आप अपने दोस्त के साथ एक कैफे या तो कोई रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हैं, ठीक है, और आपके पास एक नया क्लाइंट है. ठीक है, लेट अस इमेजिन कि आपके पास एक नया क्लाइंट है और आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ कॉफी शॉप पे बैठे हैं और आप उस क्लाइंट के प्रोडक्ट के बारे में अपने फ्रेंड को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. लेट अस अज्यूम कि फ्रेंड को आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं आपका क्लाइंट है जंपीफाई, जो कि लेट अस अज्यूम कि शॉपिफाई के जैसा कोई पोर्टल है जिसे डेवलप कर रहा है, राइट? सो विल यू से जंपीफाई टेक ऑफर्स ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप लैंडिंग पेज builder that utilizes an integrated responsive theme library and e-commerce interface that allows users to realize a cutting-edge viewing experience with absolutely zero technical knowledge. Guys, trust me, guys, your friend will absolutely go out of the world. So guys, when you start using jargons, when you start using hi-fi complex words, hi-fi, exaggerating your copy with technical words, trust me, this is not how you talk. This is how absolutely your friend will stop listening to you. So guys, you need to understand तो इसका solution क्या है? Guys, it is a common fact कि the moment somebody asks us to write a copy, be it a web page का copy हो या ad का copy हो या कोई email हो, we start, fumbling around, what can be the best word that I can use. Guys, you are not writing for yourself. Remember the very first chapters that I told, that I've already explained. You are writing for your readers. You are writing for your readers. Your readers are not worried. They don't care what you know. They just want to know how you care. Your readers are not interested in you. They are interested in themselves. So make sure to use the words which are simple and easy to understand. As soon as you put your fingers on the keyboard, you sound unnatural like robots. So guys, इसका solution क्या हो सकता है? What can be its solution? Now let us understand the best solution is you have to start writing like you speak. You have to start writing like you speak. It's as simple as that. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चलो एक क्विक कॉपी एक्टिविटी करते हैं. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग इस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीन का स्क्रीनशॉट ले. टू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट, गो बैक, टेक अ मिनट एंड थिंक द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, रियलाइज द कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड राइट एज यू स्पीक. योर टाइम बिगिंस राइट नाउ. अगर मेरा वर्जन आप पूछो तो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक, with Jumpify text drag and drop landing page builder, you can build beautiful online stores and websites in minutes. No coding skills required. Simple. Guys, you need to understand conversational copies drive conversion. The moment you go to a shop, showroom, let us assume, remember the last time when you went to a showroom to buy a laptop or a mobile phone. You might have visited multiple showrooms. आप multiple showrooms visit किए होंगे. Multiple showrooms आप visit किए होंगे. The showroom from which you purchased, remember the salesman that managed to engage with you with his or her conversation. Guys, conversation has great power. Conversational copies will drive conversion. You need to understand. So now let us understand, guys, 5 tips to write more conversational copy. किस तरह से आप अपने कॉपी को, नो मैटर वो ब्लॉग हो, एड कॉपी हो, ईमेल हो, कैसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम उसे कन्वर्सेशनल बना सकते हैं. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, राइट फॉर जस्ट वन पर्सन. गाइज, Whenever you are reading and writing an article, writing a blog, or writing an email, you need to understand that you are just writing for your just one persona. You are not writing for a crowd. So whenever you see that, believe that there is one person out there reading it out, visualize that person. Imagine that fellow is sitting opposite to your desk and start speaking and start writing. You are just writing for one person. Never use complex words. The first thumb rule of writing. आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट एट इंग्लिश, मेरी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन रिटर्न स्किल इतनी कम्युनिकेशन वोकैबुलरी इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं. Guys, you need to understand, you just need to have a simple vocabulary knowledge to be great at copywriting. Trust me, guys. Don't use tough words. Don't use tough words. Just to give an example, just imagine that you are talking to a group of kids in a classroom. You have to be as simple as that. Let us do a very quick copy activity, guys. Let us do a very quick copy activity. Left hand side पे आप कुछ words देख रहे हो. You are seeing some words. On the right hand side, guys, what I would like you to do is, ये सारे words के एक simpler version आप लोग अभी के अभी नोट करो अपने नोटबुक के ऊपर. Some simpler version. So I will give you one, let's say, an example. Leverage, you can use the word use. You can write use. So guys, let's take 1 minute of time. You can pause the video right now and go back, and you have to give me a simpler version of all these words. राइट हैंड साइड पे पार्टिसिपेट को आप लिख सकते हो टेक पार्ट, लेवरेज को यूज कर सकते हो यूज, फैसिलिटेट को यूज कर सकते हो हेल्प, ऑप्टिमम को यूज कर सकते हो मोस्ट, बेस्ट, एडवांटेजेस को यूज कर सकते हो हेल्पफुल, सब्सिक्वेंट को यू कैन राइट लाइक नेक्स्ट, लेट्स सर्कल बैक टुमारो. ये लेट्स सर्कल बैक अराउंड. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी 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 पॉपुलर corporate word. You can very easily transform it saying let's talk about that tomorrow, with exception of, except for. So guys, आपको देखना है कि how you can cut down the complexity of the sentences by using easier words. This is one of my favorites, guys. Ask questions. Start your copy with an enrolling question. This will definitely engage your prospect. Now, I meant to say that whenever you ask a question, a statement with a question mark, the reader will start asking that question in their subconscious mind. The moment they start answering that question in their subconscious mind, they do a reality check within them, they start engaging with your copy. Let us assume you are writing a copy for a launch of a pizza house. So the copy can be, you are invited to the grand opening of Deluxe Pizza House on Sunday. Instead of writing this, just write free on Sunday, love pizzas. Join us for grand opening of Deluxe Pizza House. It is as simple as that. Use questions. The next, guys, use short paragraphs. And short paragraphs make sense. It is the most important. You need to understand your paragraph shouldn't contain sentences more than 13 words. Make a note right now. 13 words should be the limit. Don't use, words like blotters like very, almost, really, because sometimes this kind of words doesn't make much difference. Use contractions. You will becomes you will. She will become she. Are not becomes aren't. We are becomes were. So guys, never say that we are going to the cinema. Say we are going to the cinema. So guys, when you use contraction, you are making your copy more conversational. Remember, write as you speak. Now, some tips from my end. Record yourself while talking. Then write exactly what you said. Record yourself while talking. Then write exactly what you said. It's one of the best way to make your copy more conversational, guys. Once you are done, Read your copy aloud. If it doesn't sound natural, rewrite again. हमेशा याद रखें, अपने कॉपी को लिखने के बाद थोड़ा गैप दे, थोड़ा आप ब्रेक ले ले, मे बी 1 hour 2 hour, come back again and again try to read. If you think it doesn't sound natural, as if somebody is talking, rewrite it again. So guys, this was a very quick chapter. Guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, you can please go and follow me on Instagram, guys. Okay, Alok_Bhartia. I post a lot of content on Instagram regarding digital marketing, sales copy, sales funnels, digital marketing agency tips, and really useful content. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed the lesson. See you soon in the next chapter, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.